Hey yo, what's good y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker Roll, and I am back with another video. Now as y'all can tell from the thumbnail and the title, the reason you clicked on this video is because we're going to be doing a raffle for this Supreme, I'll show you in a second, Supreme Spring Summer 19 Champion size medium t-shirt, and also going to be throwing the sticker pack in with it that comes with the t-shirt. So I'm gonna do that. But before we get into that, I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna try to say this in every video if I can remember. I need engagement. So if I get 500 views, I want 500 either thumbs up or thumbs down. It really doesn't matter, man. So I really appreciate everybody that continues to come and rock with my channel, man, that watches my content. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. We're still on the road to 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2019. So if you see that big button down below and it's still red, you're doing it all wrong. It should be gray. Come on over here and join the movement. Join Bobby Sneaker Roll. So want to get that out of the way, man. I just want y'all to comment whatever you want to talk about, and I also want y'all to hit that thumbs up button. So everybody that comes in, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you don't like it, I'm cool with that too. Hit the thumbs down, leave a comment, let me know. Give me some constructive criticism. But what I wanted to talk about, let's get into it. I wanted to talk about, I'll put a picture up just in case there's a glare on the camera. This Supreme Champion, it's a size medium t-shirt. I'm not going to wear it, but I want to be able to give it to somebody that watches this video. I don't care if you subscribe. I don't care if you don't subscribe. It doesn't matter. It's going to go to someone. What I wanted to do is, I'm going to make this available to purchase for $10. Any of y'all that wears Supreme or know somebody that wears Supreme or got a niece or nephew that wears Supreme or whatever, y'all know the t-shirts can be a little expensive. So it's gonna be $10 total for your chance to win this t-shirt size medium. Even if you don't want it personally to wear, if you buy it for $10, I'm paying for the shipping, regardless of where you are in the country. You can resell it for whatever you want to resell it for, and then you can pocket all the profit. I really don't care. Or you can win it and wear it for $10. So what I'm gonna do, I'm only gonna do the first 10 people that are serious about wanting the t-shirt. DM me on Instagram. I'm not gonna ask for any money until we get at least 10 people that are serious. We get 10 people that are serious, then I'll start asking about money. We'll go live here on YouTube, and then we'll do the raffle that way. So you know that there's no editing or anything like that. It's gonna be a live draw. Me and Josiah will probably do it on the channel. So if he's available, if not, I'll just do it, but it'll be live. So the first 10 people that tell me that they're interested, I'm gonna put my IG obviously in the description. It's in every one of my description boxes down below. The first 10 people to tell me that they're serious about it. And what I'm gonna also do, if one person wants to buy all 10 slots, that's you can do that as well. I'm gonna keep running this raffle until all 10 slots are full, and then we'll start collecting money, and then we'll do the raffle after that. So you can buy multiple slots if you want. If you want 3 slots, give yourself a 30% chance instead of a 10% chance. That's completely up to you. But we're gonna run the raffle, 10 slots, $10 a slot. Let me know on Instagram, comment down below that you're interested. And if you can't find me on IG, we'll figure it out. Or if you don't have an IG, we'll figure it out as well. But I wanted to give somebody an opportunity to win this for themselves or for somebody else, or to resell for $10 or for $100. If you want to buy all 10 slots, or you just want to buy it for $100, and that's on you. But if you just want a chance to enter the raffle, let me know. I put all this information down in the description box below if I'm talking too fast or you're not catching it. But with all that being said, I just wanted to make this a quick video, let y'all know that I'm running a raffle. Hit me up on IG, Bobby Sneaker Roll. It's the same as the YouTube channel. And then we'll get it popping, man, live on the channel, man. So I'm gonna get out of y'all way. I just wanted to do this real quick. OVE!